Right, so here we go then with another one. We're in the Cotswolds today and we're on Seven Wells Hill. Let's give it a go. Yeah, so Seven Wells Hill, the second highest point in Gloucestershire in the Cotswolds, this one is. And it's 1,047 feet. So we're only on 2 miles. There's just a couple of miles up to the summit of this one. There you go then, that's the summit of Seven Wells Hill. And at the top of Seven Wells Hill we've got Broadway Tower. Peace. Yep, so that's Broadway Tower, an 18th century grade 2 listed building, 65 foot high, and it was built, I believe, by the Earl of Coventry, the 6th Earl of Coventry, as a gift for his wife. So that's the official trig point of Seven Wells Hill there. Yeah, so you would have seen that memorial back there. That was a bomber plane that crashed in 1943, killed all the crew. Yeah, so that Broadway Tower is a museum now, apparently. The top, it's a 4-storey building and the top 3 floors are a museum now, various like archaeology and stuff like that. Obviously you've got to pay to get in. I'll find out the price, put that in the description for you. Broadway Tower. Right, time check, 3 miles. Right, so the old geology fact of the day then for Seven Wells Hill and a lot of the peaks around the Cotswolds. Jurassic limestone, formed around 180 million years ago. So I think I'm right in saying that that one in the distance there is Bredon Hill. You remember the one with Parsons Folly at the top? Yeah, Bredon Hill there in the distance. Nice little village. That's it, then I'm all wrapped up with another one. That was Seven Wells Hill. See you on the next one, guys. Peace. Just over 5 mile, not bad. Oh, I mean, it's as dull as my life. Let's hope the electric 6 on about a gay bar, gay bar.